Ma'am, this one is not included. We put only the plywood to stand this cinema chair. So that's why don't mind this one. This one is cross. This one is nothing. We put this one for the stand. Okay. Ma'am, I give you 650 for each. Okay. This one I will change to you in the red one. What are you choosing? But the wooden here is same. We cannot choose this one like this. But if you want to change this one as black, so it means you need to pay ma'am 750 for each. If you want to change the black. This one is okay, no problem. We will change also into the red what you are choosing. But if you want this one ma'am only and change this one, so it means 650 I can give you madam. No need change into the black, this one and this one. But if you want change this one into the black ma'am, so 750 each including back last price madam sir.
Sana all subscribe.
A2011-Y, this one is the boss chair. Now this is discontinued model. We have 13 pieces left like
Subscribe!
this. This is
Sana all subscribe!
B2011-Y, and right now it is offer in 800 dirham. Last price. 13 pieces left. If you want like this is I will put in your quotation. Not the high one. High one is like this. This is the short one. Madam, ito yung A2011-Y. Ito yung ganyan siya. Yan yung dati nilang binili. Ngayon, ang natitira na lang sa amin, 13 pieces, ganito. So, ito visiting chair to. So, offer price siya right now, 13 pieces ang natitira, 800 last price. Okay? Kung gusto niya yan, pwede naman. Tapos, ma'am, ito yung MR062A. Ito yung C without wheels. Okay? Yan.
Sana all.
Ngayon, yung nasa quotation.